Hashtag the magic of photosynthesis. Have you ever wondered how plants eat their food? It's a bit different from how we munch on our sandwiches. Instead of going to a grocery store, plants have a magical way of making their own food right from sunlight, air, and water. This enchanting process is called photosynthesis. Long ago, scientists were puzzled about how plants grew. They didn't eat like animals, so how did they get their energy? The answer came when they discovered that plants use sunlight to turn carbon dioxide, which is just a part of the air that we breathe out, and water into food and oxygen. It's like having a tiny kitchen in every leaf. Imagine each plant leaf as having many tiny chefs that are super busy. These chefs are called chloroplasts, and they're where the magic happens. Inside these chloroplasts is something special called chlorophyll. It acts like a solar panel, capturing sunlight energy and using it to cook up sugar, the plant's food. It's also the reason leaves are green. Here's how the recipe works. First, the leaf gathers sunlight. It's a bit like catching rays at the beach. Then, through little holes in its leaves called stomata, the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air. Meanwhile, the roots soak up water from the ground. With all these ingredients, the chloroplasts use sunlight to mix these up and create something called glucose, a type of sugar. Glucose cleverly becomes the energy source that helps plants grow tall, make flowers, and produce fruits. The oxygen that is also created during this process is what we, humans and animals, breathe. So, in a way, plants are also cooking up the fresh air for us. Plants are amazing chefs, aren't they? They don't just keep themselves full, but also help the entire world breathe easier. Next time you stop and smell a flower, maybe even give a big thank you to the plant for helping keep the air fresh and clean. Photosynthesis is a beautiful and vital process, making sure our planet remains a healthy, green home for everyone. So remember the marvelous mystery of how plants make food and help us breathe with their bright, leafy kitchens.